Welcome back. We got a blue saw here. We're talking a blue saw. Josh, it's a miter saw. It's Hercules.
That's right.
I've never heard of Hercules before. What do we got?
Even though you want to be a Hercules.
Of course, I do.
All the days in the gym. So this is actually the Hercules. It's a line of tools at Harbor Freight.
Harbor Freight.
Yeah.
Yep. So which is normally known for, really inexpensive tools.
Yeah, inexpensive tools, but they work. They're good. The quality is to get you through the jobs.
Yep.
So this is the 12-inch that they have. It's a dual. Yeah, it's a 12-inch miter, dual bevel, sliding compound miter saw.
Yep.
We've had this for, I would say, 4 or 5 months now. Been playing with it in the back, and I was very impressed. Now, we're not introducing a new saw here.
Right.
We're talking
about. This doesn't necessarily do anything more than a yellow one or a red one.
Yeah. So this is doing what pro grade tools are doing.
So that's the whole idea. Is this so is Hercules is Harbor Freight's pro line?
Yes. Exactly.
And are there other Hercules?
And this is pro grade. This tool is pro grade.
So they're going after the DeWalt's and the Milwaukee's.
Yeah, I mean they're in a game. Yes, they are.
Okay.
Yep.
And how does it stack up? Have you used it?
Yeah, I would trim with this saw. I'm dead honest. I used to do all the trimming in the company with the other 3 guys. I would use this saw for trimming. So this does 7.5 inches crown molding nested. So nested means in the bed here. 6 3/4 inch base it'll do vertically, and it'll cut around 13.5 inches on the depth. So from the front to back when we're squared up. 4,100 RPM, 15 amps.
Bevel?
Yeah.
60?
So 60 left, 50 right is what it'll do. So I mean this is in the game with the pros.
Price.
Is what it's doing. Price on this one's $399.
And other saws like this are 500-ish,
$500,
maybe?
$600,
up to $600.
I mean, you start talking. I mean, they make saws obviously.
Yep.
Yes, but
no. This is actually legit comparison to those other higher end saws.
Yes. Yeah. And this is 56 pounds, and it comes with a 60-tooth blade. So 60 you could use for rough cutting, but also that's used for trimming as well. I mean, it's a good heavy duty blade. It's not a cheap thin blade that they're putting in these things. So
Harbor Freight Hercules. I'm assuming this is kind of a line, the Hercules line.
Yes.
So there are other tools.
Of tools that they have. So
like what, drills or?
They got drills, grinders.
Okay.
Bags. I'm a bag guy. Remember, I like my bags.
They do have bags.
Yes.
This one doesn't come with a bag, I bet.
So this one thing I really did like about it is when you pull the saw down, you're done with making your cut. Yep. When you let this go, it comes up right away. It's got a nice spring on it. Some out there it's sluggish for coming back up. So I really like that. It's getting the guard back wrapped around the blade. Comes with the light as well. I mean,
that's nice.
Yeah, there's tools out there that don't have that, but a work light is really nice, especially on remodeling projects. So the wings slide out still, like you'd see. It's got the molding stop clamp on it.
This is a pro grade saw from Harbor Freight.
It's got the tool on it, so for changing stuff out if you need to take it apart. And then to move the miter saw, this is all stainless steel hardware on the detent and stuff, and it's cast aluminum. But to move it, you can push your finger and move it. Otherwise, you can pull your finger as well and move it. So.
Nice.
And then just to do the bevels is back here for the lock and everything. But I mean, I was impressed. 15 amp saw, 4,100 RPM. That's playing with the big boys.
Nice.
Yeah, I was.
So legit pro grade saw from Harbor Freight.
Hercules.
All right. Well, we'll see you next time.